the beach, sandy skull beach. Oh, there is monkey here. Sandy Skull Beach. We almost passed the beach, but many people come here. They park here. I think this beach seems to be popular because there are many people parking here. Oh. Oh, we are here. Oh, there is monkey here. Do not feed the monkey. This beach might be beautiful. Wow. Yeah. Because you know you have to go through the forest. Huh? Yeah, to the jungle. We'll go here. Ah. Many people coming here. Yeah, it's a small beach. It's nice. Hello. Yeah, many people coming. Yeah. Sandy Skulls Beach. It's nice here. The water is clear. Look. Welcome to Sandy Skulls Beach. How did Pasir Tengkorak Beach of Skulls get its rather airy name? A local legend mentioned about a sea demon or giant whirlpool that swallowed countless number of ships and deposited the victims' skulls here. According to another legend, the fierce battle between the mystical creatures of Garuda and Gentayo took place in nearby island and resulted in many casualties. Bodies of those warriors who died in the battle were found at this beach. Oh. A more factual but less colorful explanation is that there was a prison located in the island of Tarutao. Many had attempted to escape with difficulties, considering the water here was once infested with sharks. Oh, those who failed were either drowned or killed by these sharks, and their bodies were eventually washed away to this shore. Oh. They even have tent. You can bring your tent here.
That's nice.
Or your hammock. Yeah. Nice. This might be number one.
Yeah.
Number one here in Langkawi. Today is Saturday. That's why many people. Yeah. And it's a bit windy here. Wow! Perfect temperature. So tourists stay here in the other side, and then the local is in the other side. They have the group